Off to the set.
Dad, I think the difference between a corner kick and a corner kick and a goal kick is that when your team kicks it out.
Yeah, but it's got to go over that line, over the end line of the field. That's when it's a corner.
Mark him a map.
It's too early for the guys.
Dad, Mark's standing there.
Well, he's watching.
They're defense, remember, and Nathan drives defense, so whatever Nathan will say goes.
You ready?
Uh-oh. Good pass. That was.
So, Hamish, what position do you want to play? Probably going to have you be goalkeeper.
Go, Mark! Go, Mark! Kick! Goal! Kick! 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 Kick!
Take a shot!
Pass!
Nice! Kick!
Go, Evan!
Oh!
Oh, good! Yeah! Oh! Wow!
Nice! Matt! Nice, Gray and Evan, everybody.
Good work!
Evan, go after it. Evan.
But he did the right thing. He passed it over, and that's
great. That's great.
They did great. Oh, yeah. Riley.
Good, Andrew. Great.
Riley is just great. It's a wonder he hasn't got a goal already.
Pass it. There you go.
Good work.
Nice.
Wow, I think we get tiny little symptoms can do a lot of things.
Come on, great.
Nice. Follow it.
Follow it. Oh.
Nice. Stay up there, Mark.
Keep that pressure.
Mark B. Stay up. Get in there, Mark.
Come on, Gray. Don't stop. Keep going, Gray.
Hold on, Mark. Okay? Yeah.
Yeah.
Take the shots. Keep on shooting.
That's Brandon.
Brandon out there?
Yeah. Brandon
McAllister.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I see him.
Little Speedy.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
I wonder how many games these guys have lost.
What was that? No. I have another game, so
Oh!
that was close. So I'll probably be leaving about 15 minutes before
Yeah,
this
that's
one
fine,
ends.
yeah.
Just because they're close to over. We got to get back to Murray.
One of you!
Stay back, Nathan! Good, Elliot!
Keep going! Oh, great!
Go!
Keep
Nice.
going! Oh.
Nice, Andrew. Okay, Nathan, make sure you stay back to block that.
Number 3 is
Is Riley out there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Riley's number 3 over there.
Oh, right up here. Oh, we're playing against Riley.
Take your time!
Where's Riley? Go! Get it down there, you guys! Mark B, go down. Stay down towards the goal. Turn around. Mark, move way back towards the goal. Good pass. Keep on going. Keep on going.
Jeez, Riley just doesn't stop.
Don't come to the ball, Mark. Stay back. That's good. Stay right there. White.
There.
Great. Evan, give him somebody to throw into, you guys. Down the line. Good. Nice.
Nope.
Yeah.
Up here, hey!
Clear out, Evan.
Hey!
Good, Tillman.
Up here, sir. Green.
Stay away, here it comes.
Oh,
Bring it again.
goodness.
Chambers wants to be a forward,
Okay.
so I'm going to pull.
Get it out.
Riley's just all over.
Mark B, move back that way more. You got defenders behind you. You can go further towards the goal. Just live back there. Like, that's good. Look, they're all covering you. You pulled 4 of them away. Watch the ball, not
Yeah, they don't have to worry about the drive forward. That's Riley's job. We had Riley on our team last year, and Brandon as well, who's in here. And Riley was just fabulous. He scored probably 14. That's him now. He's got the ball. He probably scored. He probably scored 12 out of the 14 goals that we did throughout the season. Hey Gray, don't stop, okay? The ball's still close to you. Keep going.
Come on, Gray. Get away from each other. Spread out. Go. Get going towards the goal, Mark.
Good work, Tillman.
White off red, green foot.
Gray, let somebody else take it.
Bring it out here. Come on, White, get the ball. You're wasting time.
Go.
Evan, that means hustle.
Right here, Aiden.
It's not a Saturday morning stroll.
Go, Sam. Wow. Green.
Watch the speed. Turn around, Evan.
Mark someone, Matt. Good, Matt.
Spread out, White. You're all next to each other. Here he comes. Here.
Who did? Here.
All right. Get on him. Stay down here, Gray.
Nice
Good,
work.
good.
Elliot, cover this one. Get out of there. It'll come to you, Mark. Get back.
Where's my gloves? Oh! Good work, Tillman. Get it up there. Oh, it's slippy.
Don't go to the ball. Let your teammates pass it to you. Ray will get it to you. Oh, yeah, you got it. Nathan, hang back. You're the center defender. Be in the center. In between the ball and the goal. Keep going. Keep going. Move out, guys. Action off the white in the corner kick. Corner. Guys are defending. One.